Hi guys. Okay, so I've really just been editing all day and I got the first video for Breaking Barriers YouTube channel up, but I'm making dinner. It doesn't look very like appetizing right now, but this is salmon croquettes and like the mixture of it. So I do 4 cans, if I am doing cans, 4 cans of salmon croquettes, red bell peppers, onions, green bell peppers, salt, pepper, onion powder, some seasoning salt, some garlic powder, some onion powder, some sugar, and then I just have it in a pan of oil, and then I mix flour and cornmeal. So that's what we doing, and then I'm about to watch some White Lotus. Alright, so cue the montage. It's gonna be a shorter vlog for sure of me cooking and watching White Lotus. So for dinner, I made salmon croquettes, some, what is this? Turnip greens, collard greens, and some wild rice. Yum! Your girl really do be in the kitchen, so don't play with me. Don't play. And this is how I looked when I was cooking. Y'all, I'm tired. I've been editing all day. I didn't leave the house. But this is how I look. Now we get to eat, have dessert, and then figure out what I want to pack for the weekend because tomorrow's a good day. Tomorrow's a good day. Okay, y'all. So I am going to a Secret Santa party tomorrow, and the package from Amazon came today. I can't really remember what I got for the guy. I never really shop for guys, and it was like a random gift to what he had on his wish list. Let's see what we got. This little roll thing came in this big old box. Come on, Amazon, save the planet. Fishes of the Gulf of Mexico. Now, I don't necessarily know how I'm about to wrap this, or like if I have, I'm really just about to use this as a wrapping paper for real and improvise. But I also have to figure out what I'm going to wear to the pop-up shop at the toy drive, and then I'm going from there straight to Athens to the Secret Santa, and then we're going downtown Athens. So I kind of have to figure that outfit out, but I also have to pack an overnight bag because I'm staying the night. So let's get to it. I think I'm just gonna like wrap this and then put a bow on it. Probably tuck this, tuck that right there. Tape. Y'all, I kind of forgot how Secret Santa worked. Is it like we get numbers or something? I don't know. I don't celebrate Christmas, so I don't really be knowing how all this stuff be working. So this is like the worst wrapping job ever, but we are working with it. And I'm sweating. Just gonna wrap that and be done. Okay. So first, I have to check the weather in Athens just to see if it's going to be rainy, if it's going to be cold, what kind of pants do I need to bring. Do I need to bring a sweater? Do I need to bring just like a turtleneck? It's 55 degrees here. So let's just, in Georgia, it's 54 degrees. Tomorrow it is going to be 53 degrees. And that's pretty chilly for me. So I'm honestly thinking I'm just going to do some jeans and a long black sleeve, like long turtleneck bodysuit or sweater, and bring a leather jacket and with my purse and be done. Because I really don't want to have time to figure out anything and everything and be looking cute. Well, I want to be looking cute, but and I just realized that I definitely thought I was going to do my nails tonight, but I just don't think that it's going to happen. But figure out outfits first. So I could do black jeans. That's what I'm leaning more towards. I have a few options. I do have these acid washed jeans that I can wear. They're kind of short that I can wear with boots, with a black long sleeve turtleneck kind of bodysuit. But I also have blue jeans that I'm thinking about wearing with a sweater turtleneck that I love. I have this black sweater turtleneck that I love. Y'all can't even see it. I'm honestly gonna bring both just to, you know, finesse the system, and, you know, can never have too many options. I really need some fun pants. That's what I need. I need fun pants. I need exciting, like, things. I don't know, but also on my period. And black jeans is where it's gonna be. I'm wearing black jeans. That's it. I'm wearing black jeans. So I just gotta figure out what top I'm gonna wear. But it has to be somewhat festive. So knowing me, I want to be cute, but I also don't want to wear a dress because we're going downtown. I'm wearing jeans. Girl, you wearing jeans. I could bring this flannel. It's given. I'm bringing that. And I could also wear this cute velour cropped jacket. Y'all can't even see it. You know what? I'm really not in the mood for any of this. I'm really tired. I've been editing all day. So y'all are just gonna see what you see in tomorrow's vlog. or just check my Instagram and see what I end up wearing, which is more than likely the black on black on black with maybe the pop of green. I don't know, but we'll see. So, and my camera's about to die, so you guys have a lovely night. I love you all. Happy FAUXMAS Day 10. If you're coming to the toy drive, or if you did come to the toy drive, thank you for donating, and I will see you guys in the next video.